Hello, traders. It's Rick here. I wanted to take a minute and kind of walk you through the back testing results that I just completed for the strategy that I will be trading in 2017. Um, it's it's somewhat of a CTS trading system. I'm using the advanced patterns as entry reasons, and I'm shooting for a 2 to 1 ratio on my risk to reward. So, if I'm risking $1, I'm shooting for $2 um, on every single trade. Okay. My stop placement and my targets are based off of Fibonacci levels um, that that have shown to be a pretty good target and stop placement reasons. So what I want to do is just kind of give you a little heads up of what I'm expecting to, ex- you know, kind of share with you what I'm expecting the results to be in 2017. Now, there's no guarantee that my back testing results will be um, exactly or even close to what the 2017 trading season can bring, but kind of gives you an idea of what to expect. So here it is. Okay. So, I got up at 4 a.m. this morning. It's now 5 after 4 Central Standard Time as I'm doing this recording. And, I've been, going through the charts and finding trade setups and just, jotting all the information down or whatever. I've keyed it into the spreadsheet now. And this is what I've got. Okay. So my gross pips is 2,053 pips. Okay. Um, excuse me. My max losing trade was four in a row. Max losing streak in pips is 386. My average losing streak was 203. Okay. Now, this is kind of high. Okay. But the way I plan to do my money management, this will be okay. Okay. Because I'm not going to do I'm not going to really have like a max pip loss, but I'm going to have a max percentage loss per trade. So I still need to work on that side of it to make sure that I can make it work. Because normally I just trade with 100% a max 100 pip loss. So, but I got to play with that part of it to see what I can come up with. So this may change to where that is, like say I don't know. I may end up coming back and saying, okay, so 100 pip stop loss is going to be the max, but I haven't made it that far into the money management side of it. But just kind of wanted to take a quick minute and share with you the results that I got. So let me show you something here. Let me take this out. All right, give me 1 second. Okay, so what we're going to do. Okay, this is what I ended up with. Okay, with basically, I mean, it's one trade, one in and one out on this strategy. So I mean, there's really no money management as far as moving stops and targets and rolling stops, and because with what I'm looking to do, I don't want to have to be in front of the computer and doing it now. I can check it um, to see how I'm doing or whatever, but from my phone. But based on my busy life, I wanted to make it as easy as possible, and I think I come up with a solution. So um, here's the equity curve from a $10,000 account. Finished up, from 10,000 to looks like it ended up at 16,159, or a 62% uh, gain. Okay, with no money management. Okay, now with somewhat of an aggressive um, money management strategy, instead of getting 16,000, I could potentially get almost 18,000. instead of 62% gain, it'd be almost an 80% gain. Okay. Now this is somewhat of an aggressive money management strategy. I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to be comfortable doing yet. Um, I need to think on that a little bit more. The maximum allowable drawdown for this would be 20%. I would like to get down to maybe 10% or less, but I'm only trading one pair, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait and see. Slowdown multiple is as I gain my account, I can add positions to it. Um, this may change a little bit too. I'm not sure yet, but just kind of want to give you an idea of what the results look like thus far in the backtesting phase of it. I do need to tweak the money management side of it, but I am excited about it, and I look forward to 2017 and trading live and sharing that with you. Um, so, if you haven't already, go to my YouTube page and subscribe. You can find it under Rosella Investments. Follow me on Twitter, Rosella99. Uh, and let's uh, let's see what 2017 can bring. Um, in 2017, I mean, I'll be trading live, and I'll definitely share some of the results on Twitter and stuff like that. But if I've got time, but um, just want to do a quick video and kind of let you see what I've been doing today. I mean, it took me all day. I mean, roughly 12 hours, but I just kind of went through the euro dollar 1 hour chart. And you can see all the different patterns that are still on my chart. Now, this is not a pattern recognition. This is patterns that I found and drew on there. Um, so I mean, I may have missed some, but it is what it is. But um, some of these trades ended up not being in the data, not because they're not valid patterns, but because like look at like this trade right here. Okay, this trade right here. This is a big pattern. So the way I'm doing my stops and targets, I was still in this big bull. Um, I think it's a Gartley, but I was in this pattern here when this one completed. So I couldn't take this one because I was still in this one. Because in the United States you can't hedge your positions or nothing like that. So, um, but it, it it's exciting to see the results of a day's hard work, and hopefully um, I can get the same kind of returns in 2017. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Uh, until next time, just stay disciplined and don't make any mistakes.